the flower company, and let me. Hello. Hi, I'm Jay.
Hello,
Sandy. Jay.
See you again.
Yes,
Last time.
Yes. Oh, Sandy, thank you so much. This pretty lady, which I just met her online like 2 months ago.
Yes.
And now finally meet you face by face. Also the mask, but still.
Yes.
Thank you. Very happy. Okay. Sandy, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products in like 15 minutes?
15 minutes?
15
minutes? Not 15 minutes?
Or 2 hours?
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Sandy. Our company is FALAWO Hangzhou Illumination. Our factory is in Hangzhou, and we are factory for outdoor decoration, LED lights. And now you can see our beautiful showroom. And now first you can see this is a peacock light device, and it can do interactive lighting. I let my colleague to show us, and you can see here is HQ code, and our colleague to scan this code, it can show this, and when we shake here, the lighting will. 你可能拍，你再摇一下吧。When it shake, the light will. 再摇一下。When it shake, the light will change. So it is a very interesting lighting device, and it is very good for garden decoration, for festival decoration, for commercial square decoration. So if you are interested, you can contact us for this device, and we also support you for the online control system, so can ensure you to for this control. And here 不用了，谢谢。谢谢。And here is our main products. You can see this is a pool, and we put. We put all our lights. Our main lights is the LED strip lights and the string lights. We put them on underwater because our craft can ensure all our lights IPCC waterproof. It's very important for outdoor climate, because if we do not do very good protection, the water will go inside the light, and the light will broken. So this is our advantage. And for the LED strip light series, here we have many kind of. You can see here are some single color. Here are some single color. The single color, most we do is the warm white. Warm white is most wholesale, and 60 LEDs per meter. And the 120 LEDs per meter is most two type of most wholesale. And some other different colors we also can support. And this is the side emitting, and you can see it can use for some stair decoration. It is bendable, very flexible, and these are RGB. These are RGB parts. For RGB parts, we not only can provide the lights, but also for the control system. So for all lights, if you are interested, these lights are mainly for outdoor projects, like some stairs, some square decoration, some buildings, some facade decoration. And here in this wall, you can see. In this wall, you can see some part of our building facade project. This project uses 4,700 meter our RGB smart line to do some like LED screen. It can substitute linear light to make very good animation, and we also can provide the control system and do program to you. And this also can our light can you also decorate the bridge because it's a three-side emitting, and this is for the LED screen lighting effect. Can do some animation, do some simple or some complex picture. So this is for the striplight part, and for the stringlight part, we have many kind of types. The most hot sale is this 24 meters per row, and it can use for tree decoration or some facade decoration to decorate the structure. Because our lights, you can see, it is very big because we use all our material to do waxing craft, waxing process. So the water will not go inside it because it's waxing. And the wire also made by ourselves. So this material all same. So when the water will not go inside. Yes, and not only the static ones, but also this flash, different flash type, and these are some colorful ones, and here are some RGB type. So our string light can help you for decoration, to decorate the street, or do some facade for facade lighting, facade screen. 人好多呀。让一下。And this type you can see many kind of modeling lights. Many kind of modeling lights. Most like these flower lights RGB. We not only can provide the high quality lights, but also for the control system. And this is ball lights, some butterfly lights, some reed lights, and some animal lights. Because for some garden lights, they need very many kind of lights, modern lights, to decorate the garden, the park. So we have many types for your reference. And this is the single color rose lights. You can see these lights. The flower cover is also made by our factory. It will not crack or yellow for outdoor more than 5 to 10 years. And it has a upside emitting lighting effect, can light up the grass. So the night lighting effect is very good. For some designers, they like these very good lighting effect products. Yes, so that's all. Thank you.
On silence the microphone. Wow, Sandy, it's a very splendid and good work. Good work with introduction.
Thank you.
I see that you're catching your breath because of so many products or lines and series, and then you're giving us a very detailed product introduction in just like 10 minutes. Catch your breath.
Just 10 minutes.
Take your breath.
Okay.
Take your breath. That's great. I can see that because last chance that we met online.
Yes.
You have showed us the baby pool.
Yes.
And also the RGB street light, LED street, and this one. So because it's August now.
Yes.
So I'm wondering, are you busy packing your ships to
yes,
FBA? Very busy. Wholesale products, right?
No, we are not for wholesale. We are mainly for
Wholesale.
Yes,
Wholesale,
yes.
yeah.
What I introduced now is our wholesale and main products.
Main products, yes.
Because we are doing all the festival lighting or some some event lighting.
Festivals,
so we have many kind of series.
Yes, exactly.
So just what I introduced are most wholesale and. If our customer have some projects need, also can contact us because we not only provide products, also we have a teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes. If our customer have a project, you can contact me and we can help you for design.
Yeah.
Design because we have design team to help you to design and help you to do. Very drawing because we have technical support.
Yes, so you're offering the one-step solutions together. Thank you. Would you like to show us some name contact or company contact or catalog in front of the camera?
So they can contact me.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Okay, just this. You can see that?
So this is Sandy from FALAWO, and if you're interested in their company's products,
you can contact me.
Yes.
Bye. And also this is my WeChat.
This is a WeChat one.
Yes, WeChat code. You can scan this code and add my WeChat.
Great, that's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sandy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So nice to meet you in person.
Hope next year I can see you.
Thank you. Of course. Okay. Thank you, Sandy.
Okay, thank you.
I'll see you later. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.